it's not, you know, they're not like... For him, he's pretty relaxed because he's always afraid of it. This is pretty laid back for him right now. Take him out.
Itchy.
Take him out.
Let's get itchy underneath the band, miracle band.
He's really curious. He likes it. You like that? Yeah, I know. Switch your camera.
This is already touching his feel. It's now I have no.
You know?
No. For human beings from
Was that him?
How's the stomach?
You know, he's going to need some more hay later before we go.
For a week?
Yeah, before we leave the barn to give him some hay.
Alfalfa or Timothy?
Only Timothy for him.
Okay. How much?
I'll get a big crate, but not right now until I'm done.
Here.
He's very big. You're bored, huh? Looking for trouble? Yeah, you're bored.
Now, would he normally be nervous, Laura?
Hmm? What's that?
Would he normally be nervous?
He would be more nervous than this.
Really?
Yeah. Understand. Because he's going to want to leave. Yeah. You cannot leave.
I stop now the nurse.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen this kind of technology, Laura?
I have not. No.
No?
I haven't. I've seen a lot of the...
I was telling Paul that there's a gentleman in Australia who treated Kerry Packer's racehorse.
Mm-hmm.
The racehorse got caught in the gates and it flipped him over and it broke all his front face and all that.
Oh.
So they rebuilt it with taking skin from the rear hind, and but there was an area underneath the eye.
He has his throat, you said? He has this here?
He swallows air to kind of zone out, and so it's not good for his digestive tract. It causes too much gas. It's a nervous habit they get, and then once they have it, it releases these endorphins, and he keeps doing it because he's addicted to it.
Okay.
Oh, don't you?
Was it him or another horse that pulled me up by the hair?
It was Alfie.
Because remember, one horse pulled me off the ground with my hair.
No, what was it? Oh, maybe it was Jared.
I think it was. Because I remember I was standing right behind the stall.
Yeah.
And I got pulled up.
These guys.
I got pulled off the ground with my hair.
They're unpredictable.
Yeah. You could also ponies. They did everything with the ponies, huh?
Yeah.
I really like it.
Yeah.
It's really fun.
Yeah.
Mom.
And I recognize the girls, they're going for the ponies, the boys not,
Yeah.
for the horses.
We could put G2 on one of those little ponies, right?
Oh, you know, I need.
Yeah.
G2, we have a little pony.
You do?
Yeah, you could drag your feet.
As long as I get a little saddle. Can I get a little saddle?
Yeah.
Mom said he's playing. Is that flying? Is that flying?
Does he has problems with energy?
With what?
Energy.
No. He's pretty energetic young horse. He's pretty athletic. He's just frightened of everything, and has these GI things, which is why he's here. But he's been healthy for a while. He hasn't had any real problems, but we haven't been working him or testing him. We haven't been. But he's getting ready to go back. He
Mama,
needs to.
are we actually
What?
Are we actually gonna put him on stand?
Yeah, we can. Not at night.
I know.
Now that's big. The big side end.
That's
It's
one.
relaxing. Yeah.
Is it for your good when you put heal horses
Yeah.
enormously? Yeah. Then you have to do it best for them.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
When the sun comes out, you two, we're gonna put you on little sand.
Yeah, I'm gonna come because as long as
He's
Take
tiny.
the stick.
do I got to get
He's
do I have to get little choppers and stuff like
No.
that?
He'll
You
probably
sure?
buck you off in short order because he's gonna think you're too big for him. Maybe Nick. Yeah.
Because you know what happened when Uncle Greg got on?
That's true.
He got so mad.
Said he was
not
mad
happy
for
when I tried
48
to ride him.
hours after we put a man on him last time.
Really?
Yeah, he was pissed.
He was not happy when I tried to ride him.
Dear me. You're gonna sleep well tonight, I think.
So this is a good reaction from him because he
Extremely good,
likes
yeah.
he likes the wave.
Yeah, he does. And his ear is following that machine. He knows what it is.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you like that machine? I'm not gonna have to get you one.
You have also depression. How you call depression horses?
I don't have any. These guys are not depressed. I have one there that has a really pathologic swollen knee. A real chip in the knee, a real pain in the knee.
Okay.
You want to try that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
They're really the best then. Hopefully. Look for his reaction. He's staying.
We'll listen to the swallowing and chewing. Just try not to distract him.
Now they're using the device instead by himself because this is better and they don't get implants anymore.
Yeah. Pretty ugly knee there. Chip. Quite a bit of fusion.
There's a chip in it?
Yeah.
What kind of
Bone
chip?
chip.
A bone, this is not electronic, right? It's not a computer chip.
Oh no, it's a bone. It's a piece of bone that has broken off.
So you just wait to don't do anything with it.
No, I just have to inject it and keep the cortisone in, keep it comfortable.
And what will happen with the chip? Will just dissipate.
Yeah, I mean it'll either fuse to something or.
Cortisone will not help at the end.
I know,
Yeah.
I know, and that's why I haven't done it in a very long time. But she's old and retired, so it's really my job is to keep her comfortable. So I've been kind of staying away from the cortisone, but of course, at some point you have to give some.
Yeah, okay, I understand these things.
Yeah.
at the moment.
But it's not frequent. And again, the reason it's so big right now is because I've been waiting until she's
Now,
really...
is this normal for her or him?
She is a very, very nice, unusually quiet horse in general. She's a dream horse as far as being cooperative and sweet. Very safe horse to ride. This is the one that Michelle has been riding because it's so safe. Yeah. This one, isn't going to hurt her.
Even with the chip they're riding.
Mhm.
Now, you haven't sold Amy another horse?
No.
Amy's funny. She is.
Oh, she got a good deal. That horse was great. That pony was fantastic for the couple years she had it. Good. Yeah. This horse is sweet though. Very sweet. You could ride this horse.
Really?
Yeah. This is the one that Shane will jump on down in the field and just ride.
Oh yeah. So the other, yeah.
You want to eat? She loves to eat. That's her one passion.
Do you see the difference when the swallow is going away?
Sorry?
Do you see could you see a difference when the swallow is going away? Not now already, but can you see a difference between that?
Oh yeah. I mean, yeah. It's so huge. It's very, very prominent here. You can even feel it. Oh.
Yeah, this is.
And you can feel here too. It's all fluid. You compare it to the other side. There's nothing there.
Yeah.
It's huge. But she's a lovely horse. Love her.
Yeah.
Good girl, yeah. Yeah, that's a big girl too. I'll keep you from your food.
You have here more function in it. This is biocell, is on the cell level, mitochondrial level, is stimulating energy.
Mm-hmm.
I had before, I gave him general rejuvenation, ESR is more relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to this chronic, going banter is normally pain.
Mm-hmm. But
this, the horse cannot tell if he has pain or not.
So they basically will go on and on and on until they...
Not every horse. This one will. She'll do what she's told. She'll do what she has to do. She's a real soldier, She'll do her job.
Right.
But I try to keep her comfortable too. She's on supplements and joint hyaluronic acid, Conquer gel. She gets Adipon. She gets chondroitin sulfate and vitamins and things in her food. If she's really sore, she'll get some anti-inflammatory, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory. It's like a big Tylenol she'll get every now and again.
Yeah.
But she doesn't have to do much, really. Well, you be careful.
Marcel, you always do off body on this?
Well, I don't know how to do it on body with a horse.
Yeah. You got to be careful, yeah.
It's also you have to use electrostimulation, and new Cyril is using the skeiner on the body.
Yeah.
And that works. Mm-hmm. But I don't know. Do you have it heavy, less?
Yes, some horse you touch with the stimulant and they'll be bing right through the ceiling.
So I don't do it. Then I prefer to do it a little bit on distance. And we have an osteopath. He starts using it on body, and now he's using for 95% of his clients off body. And an osteopath has always physical complaints, You're just doing, even when you have not an open-minded person, people feel the change.
Yeah.
They feel tingling, getting warm.
Uh-huh.
So now he's 95% using it.
Good.
Off body, so it works.
Yeah.
I use it also off body and it works.
Yeah.
One time I had a physiotherapist with scratches and he walked away like that. He had no problem anymore. And I asked an osteopath, is it healthy to do it like this? Because he said, see your body as an energy field, you can change it at once. You don't need to repair all of it. The swelling is going away and it's okay.
Yeah.
Is this muscles or is this, what is the problem? Is it
Both.
The joint, you know, the knee, the
joint and,
yeah, the bone joints.
Hi, big girl. You're sweet. You're the sweetest. You are.
How many horses do you have at the moment?
10.
10?
Only 10.
And how's the other side, veterinarian side?
Quiet.
Really?
Quiet. Well, I almost had 11.
Yeah, you almost got 11, right?
Very quiet.
How's your new renters?
So far, so good. They were supposed to bring a horse this month, and that would have been additional rent, but I don't know there's no horse over there, so I don't know what the deal is.
So are they horse people?
She has a horse, so, and she's going to rent the paddock with the running.
last one.
How often do the horses get rid?
Well, this guy, Michelle was supposed to come once a week, and I haven't seen her in a couple months.
Really?
Yeah, so she needs to get out there and run. So
maybe I'll have to come around. I haven't got a clue what I'm doing, but
she loves to eat.
yeah.
Loves it.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I tried
So-
everything.
Yeah, and what do you think? When will